Golden pheasant. Male golden pheasants have a golden yellow crest with a light tinge of red at the tip. The face, throat, chin, and the sides of neck are rusty tan. The wattles and orbital skin are yellow, the ruff or cape is light orange, the upper back is green and the rest of the back and rump is golden yellow. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck is a perching duck species native to the East Palearctic. It is sexually dimorphic, with males showing a dramatic difference from the females. It is medium-sized, at 41 to 49 centimeters long with a 65 to 75 centimeters wingspan. It is closely related to the North American wood duck, the only other member of the genus Ilex. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin, also known as the common puffin, is a species of seabird in the auk family. It is the only puffin native to the Atlantic Ocean, two related species, the tufted puffin and the horned puffin being found in the northeastern Pacific. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw, or hyacinthine macaw, is a parrot native to Central and Eastern South America. With a length of about 1 meter, it is longer than any other species of parrot. It is the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species. The flightless kakapo of New Zealand outweighs it at up to 3.5 kilograms. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are a family, the Alcedinidae, of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds in the order Carassiiformes. They have a cosmopolitan distribution, with most species living in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Oceania, but also can be found in Europe and the Americas. Gouldian finch. The Gouldian finch, also known as the Gould's finch or the rainbow finch, is a colorful passerine bird that is native to Australia. Wood duck. The wood duck or Carolina duck is a partially migratory species of perching duck found in North America. The male is one of the most colorful North American waterfowls. Gray-crowned crane. The gray-crowned crane is approximately 1 meter, 3 feet 3 inches, tall, weighs 3.5 kilograms, 7.7 pounds, and has a wingspan of 2 meters, 6 feet 7 inches. Its body plumage is mainly gray. The wings are predominantly white but contain feathers with a range of colors, with a distinctive black patch at the very top. Peacock. Peafowl is a common name for 2 bird species of the genus Pavo and 1 species of the closely related genus Afropavo within the tribe Pavonini of the family Phasianidae. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks, and female peafowl are referred to as peahens. Scarlet macaw. Macaws are the largest parrots in the world. The body of the scarlet macaw from beak to tail can be as long as 33 inches. This beautiful macaw has a creamy white, almost featherless face, with bright red plumage covering most of its body, wings, and long tail.